Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix X age verification problem. So first of all, head over to your application, then tap onto your profile. Tap onto your name, then select this I button or this pencil icon. Now at this section, select date of birth and make sure that you have selected a correct date of birth. If it's incorrect, you may go ahead and simply change it. Now it says this can only be changed a few times. Make sure you enter the age of the person using the count. In my case, I've already edited this. You may go ahead, tap on edit and edit the date of birth, then select continue. But for some reasons, if you're not being able to set the age, you might as well try updating your X application. Visit Play Store, type in X. If you see update, select update and update your app. And if your region requires age verification, you will see it right in front of the page as you open your X account. If it's not required, you don't need to worry about age verification. Just make sure that you have a correct age set in your profile. Thank you for watching.